Hi everyone, and welcome to Man Cake, where we play before we eat and always lick the bowl. I'm Dan, and if you enjoy a good slice of cake and something sweet, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more videos, and click that bell like a cake boss so you know when brand new content is posted. Today, we're going to make a smaller version of Cookie's gigantic chocolate cake that Bruce Bogtrotter demolished like a boss in Matilda. Now, I say smaller because I failed miserably at finding an 18-inch cake pan. If you know where I can get one, let me know down in the comments below. Now, I've already made one cake, but let's go ahead and make the second cake to give us our additional 2 layers. Before we start, be sure to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. In a separate bowl, stir together 1 3/4 cups of boiling water with 2/3 cup of cocoa powder. In your mixer of choice, stand mixer, hand mixer, or by hand, combine 1 cup white sugar, 1 cup brown sugar, and 1 1/3 cups of mayo. Mix it all together. With another bowl, combine 2 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 1/4 teaspoons of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Next, melt 2 ounces of your chocolate choice, either with a microwave or a hot water bath. Think of it as a spa day for your chocolate. With your chocolate melted, add it into your cocoa mix. Now that everything is all prepped, it's time to mix it all together. Starting with your flour mixture, alternate both your flour and chocolate into the mixing bowl. Then, add in 2 eggs. For our last step, we just pour our batter into our prepared pan, lined with parchment paper so your cake doesn't stick. Then, let science work its magic for 30 to 35 minutes, or until your cake tester of choice comes out clean. While our cake bakes, we can get our frosting ready. In a bowl, beat 3 sticks of room temperature butter at a medium speed until smooth. For me, this is about 10 minutes. Once your butter is nice and creamy, add in 3 cups of powdered sugar and mix to combine the butter and the sugar. In another bowl, combine 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of coffee, and 1 1/2 tablespoons of boiling water. Now, we're going to melt 12 ounces of chocolate and let hang out on the side for 1 moment to cool. Then, add the melted chocolate and cocoa mix into the mixing bowl with the butter and powdered sugar, mixing until fully combined, and at the consistency that you'd like. Now, 100% transparency, I'm beat and it's getting late, but our cake has baked and cooling and our buttercream is all done. So first thing, tomorrow morning, we're gonna go ahead and assemble and have a piece of chocolate cake for breakfast, because why not? Hashtag adult life. Good morning everyone, day 2 of our Matilda cake, and now we can go ahead and assemble our cake. On our cake stand, go ahead and add in the bottom layer of your cake. On your first layer, go ahead and spread a good amount of our chocolate buttercream. Add the second layer, more buttercream, third layer, more buttercream, and our top layer, more buttercream. Now, we're going to go ahead and let this cool for a couple minutes in the fridge. With our cake cooled again, we're going to go ahead and cover our 4-tier chocolate Matilda cake using our remaining chocolate frosting. Now for me, my go-to tool is an offset spatula and a turning cake stand. This is going to allow frosting to be so much easier. But if you don't have either, it's okay. It still works. Then, while spinning your cake stand, smooth out the frosting around the cake. Ooh, look at that cake spin! Then, we just want to clean up the top. And there we have it, a much smaller, but still just as yummy 4-tier chocolate cake inspired by Matilda. Are there any cakes or desserts you absolutely have to have? Let me know down below in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more man cake recipes. After all, life is short, so lick the bowl. Until next week, bye!